So one of the questions that I frequently get asked is, with all of these projects, how do we keep track of everything all at once? Well, with a growing health system and all the different IT needs that are coming our way these days, it's typical for us to be running over 100 active projects at any given time. And with all the additional projects queued up for requests that need to be reviewed, it's typically double that for anything that's going through the governance process. So there's a lot of moving parts. But the good news is we built some really great tools within Smartsheet to help us make sure that we never miss something along the way, that we can keep track of everything that's currently in flight, and that as we're having conversations on a regular basis, we can zero in on whatever it is that we need to be talking about at that particular point in time. So taking a look at what we have at the high level for the dashboard that we use on a regular basis, we can see that we have details about what exactly we have for active projects health, any of the details about the different statuses that we're in, as well as zeroing in on any of those projects that might need a little bit of attention. And this is really useful for making sure that as we're having these regular touch points with a PMO review board, with a steering committee, with any of the governing bodies that are helping us make sure we prioritize the work, we're always focusing on the right thing. And as we have conversations that need to be had about certain areas that need attention, we're able to zero in on those quickly and easily. Now, understanding that these dashboards have a lot going on, it can be a little bit intimidating whenever you first introduce somebody to them that's never looked at one before. So to make sure that these are approachable in a way that they're not going to be difficult to use, we've actually built them out in a couple of different flavors. So jumping into what we have for some of our leadership level dashboards, we give them everything they need to see to be able to dive right in for any of the detailed information that they want to try and get to. It helps them have those conversations with anybody in their downline about any projects that need a little bit more attention. But in addition to that, we also give them the ability to switch out of that view into a high-level view, so that as you're running from meeting to meeting, as you're getting peppered with questions about what exactly is going on, you can zoom all the way out and really just focus on the information that's most critical, get into the system, get out of the system, and then get on about your day for what you need to accomplish with the information in hand for what you need to try and get along the way. If you're interested in seeing more information like this, I post on a regular basis. So go ahead and follow, hit the bell icon, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks.